welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and welcome back to another vlog. So you guys already saw a glimpse of my morning. I didn't do too much today. I just went to the gym. I did have to take Chloe to a groomer's appointment and then I ran some errands, but now I'm back home. It's now the evening. I'm getting ready to go out for my girlfriend's birthday. So I just got dressed, did like some light makeup, and I just wanted to share my new watch with you guys. My new investment timepiece from JBW. If you guys aren't familiar with JBW, definitely check out their link down below. I'll also be leaving my coupon code CrystalJBW down in the link for your reference in case you guys are interested in purchasing. But yes, I just wanted to share my watch with you guys. I did already unbox it because I had to take it to go get some links taken out. I have a really small wrist, so I got 3 links taken out and it fits perfectly. So here is the box, and it's super luxe. Like when you open it up, there is a light that shines down on the watch. So I wanted to show you guys the watch up close, and it does come with a bracelet. So I'm going to take it out in a second just to show you guys how it looks on me and everything like that. So a little bit of details about my watch. JBW sent me out the CrystalJBW. There are 2 different CrystalJBW, so just be careful to check the description before ordering. I got the CrystalJBW, and this is the one with 12 genuine diamonds and 303 Swarovski crystals. So as you guys can see, just super luxe, super stylish. The watch is very great quality. It has this square, face. So I'm just going to take it off of the display and put it on. And then I wanted to show you guys. So I like to put my bracelet first and then the watch. I'm also going to show you guys what the watch looks like in the dark, just shining with the flash. I'll do that as it gets a little bit darker once I head outside. Yes guys, super cute, super stylish, very elegant, very great quality. This is perfect for everyday wear. This is perfect for dress up as I am tonight. So I'll show you guys my full look in a second. I just have on a white jumpsuit. I don't have on any other jewelry aside from my wedding ring. So just to add some pizzazz to my outfit. And I'm ready to go out the door. So yeah guys, super cute, super great quality. This is great for everyday wear. So it's perfect for like your date nights, going out, or it's perfect for everyday wear as well. So yeah guys, don't forget to check the description box for my code. Again, that's CrystalJBW if you guys are interested in shopping. I'll leave the links down below for you guys. So yeah y'all, I'm getting ready to go out to celebrate my girlfriend's birthday. So I'm about to grab my heels, my bag, put some lip gloss on, spray my fragrance, and I'll see you guys when I get to the party bus. Hey guys, welcome back. So it's now Sunday. We just got to Baltimore. We're getting ready to go to our reservations at Poppy Cuisine. Ever since we came here last time, we could not stop thinking about it. So we are, so we about to head there now. Vince is already in there. I had to hurry up and put my lashes on in the car. This is why I keep my lashes done. But yeah, I'm about to run in there now, and I'll see you guys when I get there. Hey guys, it's now 4th of July. We went to Poppy Cuisine yesterday. I vlogged a little bit. But
it was tasty.
Yeah, we went to a hookah bar after that. So now we are just getting ready to go get something to eat at Captain James, the seafood place. I'll zoom in. They're supposed to have really good seafood. Our friends is here too, and they went yesterday. They said it was really good. Probably can't hear me because of the bus, but they said it was really good. So yeah, we're about to go in here and see what it's giving.
No, babe, no. That's not how you do it.
What is these for? Tell me.
You still eating?
Alright, I need a crab place. Y'all, I always forget that restaurants play music, so I don't be trying to get copyrighted. That's why I don't really vlog like that when we're in restaurants. Their crabs were really good, but you're not supposed to share the all-you-can-eat crab, so the waitress ratted on me. You ready?
Huh?
We can park here?
No. It says no parking, it's always on.
Crying. The waitress ratted on me, so I couldn't eat no more. But anyways.
She tried to sneak them all you can eat.
The crabs was good though.
She tried to sneak them all you can eat, so I only had one crab.
And they sweet potato fries was real good.
They said, no, you got to pay for that.
I didn't want my own though. Like, I just wanted like 3. I had 1.5.
Yeah, but it's only all you can eat, baby. You can't do no 3 and 1 and 2 and all of that. You gotta, you know what I'm saying? All you can eat, they don't give a fuck you eat 1. You said, okay, that's on you. You got to pay for that. Salty and shit. She came over. She said, yeah, my manager said that there's no sharing. There's no sharing allowed.
That's because she read it. Right?
Yeah, she definitely told though.
She's a weirdo. But we're about to go to Sandlot.
Yeah, I guess this down here. I don't know, but
we're looking for parking. We're about to go to this place called the Sandlot or the Sandbox or something like that. Get some drinks and some food.
Pay to park. Alright. So, man, they fucking weird.
I'll see y'all when we get in there.
She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm not missing. Hoping to get out of here. I'm not missing. I'm not missing. She saw my eyes, she know I'm not. I see some things that you might be in. I'm doing a show, I'll be back. That ain't what she wanted.
Hey guys, good afternoon. So it's a whole new day. It's actually a couple days later, so I'm going to close the vlog out by doing like a little Sunday reset. I have some errands to run today. I already came back from taking some of our clothes that we don't need anymore, cleaned out the closet, and went to go donate them. So I just dropped those off, and then I had to stop at the bank. So I'm getting ready to stop at the mall right now because I had ordered these Balenciaga sandals, but I'm not sure how I feel about them. So I'm about to go see if they had these other sandals, so I can see what they look like in person and maybe exchange them. But yeah, I also need to stop at Target, and I want to cook Sunday dinner today, so I'll probably take y'all to the market with me as well. I haven't made Sunday dinner in like a really long time, so yeah, I would really like to do that today. This weekend was a really chill weekend. I stayed in. This is my first time actually leaving the house. All I did was go to the gym. I cleaned up. I've been cleaning all weekend actually. Had to clean the closets, and that was it. I cooked on Friday night, but aside from that, I've really just been resting, catching up on some sleep. I've been really tired, so that was really good. Like I said, I gotta go to Target, and I have to stop at the market to get some stuff for Sunday dinner. So after I get back in the house is already clean, but I'm gonna tidy up a little bit, and then I ordered these shower caddy things off of Amazon.
Turn left onto Pennsylvania 252 North Bear Hill Road.
I ordered these shower caddy things off of Amazon to organize the shower a little bit, so like our body washes and stuff like that isn't all over the place. I put those up yesterday, so I wanted to get some more like body wash and stuff like that because we are running out. Yeah, I'm not doing too much today. I do have some editing to do, but I probably won't get to that until later on tonight after I cook dinner, because I don't want to focus on too many things at one time. But yeah guys, I am headed to the mall now. I'm not going to really buy anything. Like I said, I just wanted to see if they had them sandals. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so I just got back in the house. I'm getting ready to season the turkey wings. I just preheated the oven. Yeah, I just preheated the oven. So I'm getting ready to just get all the seasonings and stuff out now. So while that's in the oven, I'm gonna go walking down by the drive, by the water. It's nice out today. It was a little bit hot earlier, but the sun is getting ready to set soon. So I just asked my friends if they want to go for a walk. Today was my day off from the gym, so I figure if I want to stay active, I could just take a walk. But yeah guys, so we having turkey wings tonight. We having some rice and cabbage. So I'm gonna put like shredded carrots and stuff like that in the cabbage, like how I normally make it. So I'm getting ready to season that now. And I think I might take Chloe with me when we go. Something told me to buy a pan. I think Vince used the last pan, so now I'm gonna have to make the turkey wings on a flat pan, which I don't like to do, but it's fine, I'll make it work. So yeah guys, I'm gonna get ready to season these. I'll show y'all how I season them. I don't know if y'all ever seen me make turkey wings before, but I usually rinse them, wash them in some cold water and some vinegar. If I don't have vinegar, I'll normally do like lemon juice or something like that. I don't think we have any vinegar. So let me get the lemon juice. Lemon juice, cold water at the bottom. And normally I'll make like 2 things of turkey wings, but I don't want to have this for lunch tomorrow because I like to eat cleaner during the week. So I'm just making one pack of turkey wings. I'm gonna let them soak in the lemon water for like 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna season them, pop them in the oven. I don't want to overdo it, trying to watch our sodium, but we don't want no bland food as well. So I'm gonna stick to the basics. Garlic and parsley with some pepper, some seasoned salt. I am going to put some Sazon, no adobo, to cut out a little bit of salt. And then I'm gonna just mix this up and then distribute some more on the spaces that need more. Alright guys, so this is what my turkey wings look like after I got done seasoning them. I did add a little bit more seasoned salt. I added some peppers, just green, red, and I also added some onions. I drizzled some olive oil on top. I'm gonna let these bake for like 2 hours on 375 before I add my minced garlic and some chicken broth at the end. But that's it for now. I'm getting ready to put the foil on and then pop it in the oven, and then I'm gonna get dressed to head down to the trail. Alright guys, I'm back home. I'm finally in the bed. I just got out the shower. We ate dinner, fed Chloe. Actually took Chloe with me when I went down to the drive. So yeah, ate dinner. Dinner was okay. I felt like I didn't put that much effort into it, but it was okay. It wasn't nasty or anything like that. But yeah, just got out the shower, did my skincare and everything like that. I'm getting ready for bed. I'm getting ready for bed, but I just wanted to close out this vlog. Of course, Chloe has to be in it. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Hopefully the next vlog will be a little bit more eventful, but y'all know how that goes. But yeah, guys, see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.